Hey there, guys. I hope everyone is doing great. You guys must be wondering that this doesn't sound like Ajit sir. Well, due to the situation out there, we are not able to record videos, and I'm one of his students who will be recording videos on his behalf for the next few days. So, without wasting any further more time, let's get started, shall we? This is the project on a newspaper club where we have developed this project in core Java by using Swing and OOPS concepts, and the backend that we have used is PostgreSQL. Now, starting with the project, this is the login screen where the admin of this newspaper club will enter the credentials. And now that the admin has entered his credentials, you can see a login successful pop-up message. And now this is the main screen where you see tabs such as newspaper, magazine, customer management, business, reports, and the help and the exit tab. So let's have a detailed look at all of these tabs. This is the newspaper tab where you can enter a new newspaper, edit the existing newspaper, and delete the newspaper that you have entered as a record. This is the new newspaper tab where you can enter a new newspaper that has arrived. You can select the language of which the language this newspaper contains and the price that it holds. This is the newspaper name. You select any language and the price that it holds. You hit save and the record has been saved successfully. This is the Sakal newspaper name and the language is in Marathi, and the price that we have entered is 7. You enter save, the record gets saved successfully. And now you can edit the newspaper by just selecting the ID, and you can get the record for that newspaper, that is Deccan Herald. And we have updated the price and we hit exit. And if we wanted to delete any newspaper, you can do the same by entering the ID, and we are not doing it right now, so we hit exit. And this is the magazine tab where you can do the same operations such as entering a new magazine, updating the existing magazine, and if you wish to delete it, you can delete it. Now this is the magazine name that we are entering. We select the language, we enter the price, and you can give any description that you want. You hit save and the record gets saved successfully. And here this is the same like newspaper where you can edit it and then delete if you wish to. Now we aren't doing any of these operations, just to show you. So this is the same where you enter the ID and you can get the record of which magazine does it hold. And this is the customer management tab where you can enter a new customer, you can edit the existing customer, and you can delete a customer if you wish to. Now we are entering a customer name. You enter the address. The customer's phone number. And the paper which he gets from you. You hit save and the record gets saved successfully. So this is same like you used to edit the newspaper and the magazine. You have the same functionalities to with the customer as well, that you can edit the customer or you can delete the customer. Now we are editing a customer. You enter the ID and you get all the details of the customer. We are not doing any updation right now, so this is just for demonstration purposes. This is how you delete a customer. Again, we are not doing any deletion here. So this is the business tab where you get to know the newspaper bill and the magazine bill for each of your customers. You select the customer, you get what the paper he takes from you, you get the price of his papers, and you just have to enter the amount of days that he has got the newspaper from you. And when you hit save, it gets recorded successfully. And this is the same with the magazine. You enter the customer name, you select the magazine that he owns and the quantity that he has purchased, and you add it and just save the record for your bill. So these are the reports where you can see all of the newspapers that you have, all of the magazines that you have, and followed by the customers that are with you right now, and all the newspaper bills. Just add, as you saw previously, that we had added a bill for a customer, and this is the same bill that we had stored as a record. And this is the magazine bills that we had created previously. And as you can see, the bill for the customer for your magazine. So this was the project developed by Ajit sir for one of his students, Kishore. So I hope you like this project, and if you wish to purchase this project, please check the description box below. And if you like this video, please like and share with your friends. So as sir says, as always, keep learning, keep evolving. God bless. Take care. Goodbye.